Welcome to dptutorials. In this video, let us learn about the bubble chart in Excel. Purpose: a bubble chart is a multivariable graph that is a cross between a scatter plot and a proportional area chart. We have the sales figures by month-wise as the data to create a bubble chart. Let's create now. Select the range from B7 to N8, go to Insert, select the XY scatter chart, click on 2D bubble chart. The following chart is generated, but this is not so making sense. So let's switch the rows and columns of the data. Then you will see something like this. As we have plotted the sales data against month-wise, it is showing equal bubble sized for all the values just like the scatter chart. Because if you click and select data and edit, you will observe that it has taken months on x-axis, sales on y-axis, and bubble size it has taken 1 for all, as we don't have any other variable. So this is the wrong chart for this kind of data. Now let us consider the data of the second example where we have the sales along with the margins for each product. Select the data B11 to D22 and click on bubble chart to insert. Now you will observe that the second variable margins has been set for the bubble size. As you can see the bubble sizes in the order of their respective margins. You can add data labels, but it is showing the sales values. Right click to select format data labels, select the margins as a label, make it center aligned and with font color as white. You can click on change chart type to change it to the 3D format if required. This is margin based bubble chart. If you want to have the sales based bubble chart, just simply right click and click on select data, click on edit. The edit series window opens. You can set the y-axis as margins and the bubble size as sales. If required, you can also do this like putting sales in x-axis, margins in y-axis, and add one more dimension to show as bubble size like market share. Okay, once you are done, again add the data labels, modify them to show the sales values like this. You can format it further. See the title as sales versus margins. Adjust the colors of the bubbles to make the chart more visually appealing. Right click and select format data series. Adjust the bubble size options to better represent the data. You can see the final output like this, and here are some of the samples for your reference. And that's how you can create a bubble chart in Excel. Bubble charts are a powerful way to visualize 3 dimensions of data and compare different data sets. By following these simple steps, you can create and customize your own bubble charts to enhance your data analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.